Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your O2 HomeSpot. First, let's get started by carefully unpacking your new O2 HomeSpot device and all its accessories. Next, locate the SIM card slot, usually on the back or bottom, and gently insert your O2 SIM card. Make sure it clicks into place. Finally, connect the power adapter to your HomeSpot and then plug it into a wall socket. The device should power on automatically, indicated by a few blinking lights. Now that your HomeSpot is powered on, it's time to connect your devices. Look for a label on your HomeSpot device. It will display the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the initial Wi-Fi password. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open your Wi-Fi settings. Find the network name that matches your HomeSpot's label and select it. Then, simply enter the password to connect securely. With your device connected, you can now access the HomeSpot's web interface for advanced settings. Open any web browser and type the default IP address into the address bar. This is usually 192.168.1.1. You'll then be prompted to enter an administrator username and password, which are also printed on your HomeSpot's label. This portal is where you can personalize your network and manage its features. To enhance your network's security and personalize your experience, consider changing the default Wi-Fi name and password within the web interface. You can also explore other advanced settings, such as setting up a guest network or implementing parental controls. For the best performance, position your HomeSpot in a central, elevated location in your home, away from obstructions. This ensures maximum signal strength and coverage for all your connected devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.